Breaking news, Samsung's bold move. Samsung has made a surprising decision and it's got the tech world buzzing. Samsung's edgy choice. A new chapter in Galaxy S26 series. For years, there was speculation that Samsung would shake things up with the Galaxy S26 series. Many expected the company to drop the Plus model and introduce something fresh. However, the recent launch of the Galaxy S25 Edge sparked rumors that Samsung might replace the anticipated Galaxy S26 Plus with the Galaxy S26 Edge. But here's where it gets controversial. Samsung's U-turn. The Galaxy S26 Plus lives on. Our sources confirm that Samsung has decided against replacing the Galaxy S26 Plus with the Galaxy S26 Edge. This aligns with a recent report from Newspin, stating that a Samsung official confirmed the cancellation of the Galaxy S26 Edge due to disappointing sales of its predecessor. Samsung initially planned to develop 4 models for the Galaxy S26 series: the base model, Plus, Edge, and Ultra. However, after witnessing the underwhelming sales of the Galaxy S25 Edge, the company has decided to stick with its traditional 3 high-end phones: the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra. The Galaxy S26 will be powered by Samsung's groundbreaking 2nm chip, the Exynos 2600, while the Galaxy S26 Ultra will boast a higher clocked version of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. As for the Galaxy S26 Plus, its processor remains a mystery for now. While there's a chance Samsung might reintroduce the Edge-branded ultra-slim phones as a 4th model in the future, it's highly unlikely that we'll see the Galaxy S26 Edge alongside the Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Ultra in early 2026. So, what do you think about Samsung's decision? Is this a smart move or a missed opportunity? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's discuss.